Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Florence local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers is a freight enterprise that can move you to any side of Florence or across the U.S. We handle everything from packing home or office property to heavy lifting and loading all your property into our vans for safe travel. Attempting a DIY plan to move your possessions thousands of miles away to another state or city will not end well if you do it without the help of a seasoned moving company such as 3 Movers. By now, everyone knows that long-distance freight of office or household possessions is the realm of moving experts. The top interstate movers do an outstanding job of shouldering that burden of delivering your properties to the destination in one piece. Hiring a seasoned and professional moving service for long distances ensures your belongings are moved securely and quickly. Leaving the moving to professionals will give you adequate time to take care of other things or say goodbye to your friends and neighbors. If you reside in Florence and want a professional moving company, you should consider 3 Movers. Some of the services they offer include local moving, interstate moving, overseas moving, office moving, residential moving, crating and packing, automobile freight, storage, insurance. Having a moving service is ideal because your items are insured against any form of damage during the freight. But when you do it on your own and something breaks, you alone bear the cost. The process of moving might be short, but it can also be very labor-intensive and stressful, particularly if you have many possessions with you. You could even get injured in the process of trying to move items on your own. But when you hire a reputable moving company such as 3 Movers, all should be well. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.